Now, here we put some numbers. As you can see, we put 6, 4, 2, 5, 7, 3, 1 in the columns there. Now, first of all, that 6 has a value of 6,000. As you can see, the 4 has a value of 400, and the 2 has a value of 20, and the 5 has a value of 5 times 1. And on the right side of the decimal point, you can see your 7 has the value of 7 tenths. And your 3 has a value of 3 hundredths, and 8 has a value of 8 thousandths. Now, what I'm going to, and every digit has a place value. What we'll show you now is that we'll take a number. For example, I'm going to take the number 6. Now, if I put the 6 there, at the moment the value of 6 is 6. If you move the 6 somewhere else, for example, let's move that 6 here. Now, as I said to you, the value here of 6 was 6, and the value of 6 is 600 now. So, if the digit is moved from its place, its value changes. Now, if I put the 6 here, the value of 6 becomes 600s. So, you see the value changing. And similarly, if I put a 6 there, then the value becomes 6,000. So, move from this slide now, then you move on to the next slide here. And in this case now, you're shown 0 in the thousands column. That's the 0 in the thousands column. And the 3 goes into that hundreds column. And the 7 is in the tens column. And the 9 is in the unit column, or ones column we call it. And the 4 is in the tens column. And the 5 is in the hundreds column. And your 6 is in your thousands column. Now, so now what we've done is we have actually shown you that the 0, we've got 0 thousandths, and so that's a 0, net 0, and we've got 3 times 100, which is a 300. Then that's 7 times 10, 7 tenths, and the 7 tenths gives us 70. And you've got the 9 units, or 9 ones. 9 times 1 is 9. Now look at this. You've got a 4 here. So it's 4 times, this is the tenths column. So 4 times 1 tenth is 4 over 10. And 5 is 5 times 1 hundredth is 5 hundredths. And finally the 6 there. And the 6 times 1 thousandth is 6 over 1,000. And those are values. Now what we've done here, that's 300, then that's 70, and that's 9, plus the 4 over 10, plus the 5 over 100, and plus the 6 over 1,000. Now, I've written this back into this decimal form here, 300 plus 79, and 4 over 10, as you know, is 0.4. And 5 over 100 is 0.05. And 6 over 1,000 is 0.006. And so this is explained here.